Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fund your wallet on Erudite game. So on this home page you can see on the top menu bar fund wallet. If I go ahead and click on fund wallet, I will be able to add money to my account. So I'll go ahead and click on that now. You will see what happens next. We have three different bundles at this particular time. We have the 1000 Naira, we have 2000 Naira, and we have 5000 Naira. We'll be adding more subsequently. Now if I want to fund my wallet with 1000 Naira, so I will go ahead and click on 1000 Naira and I will allow that page to load and continue from there. So I will add the 1000 Naira to the cart, and the next thing is I will pay for that. Now I will continue with proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, I will fill my information. So I already have this information filled for me. I will just go ahead and click on place order. So I will fill my card details there. Then I will click on pay 1000 Naira. I want to authenticate this. So I'm using UBA. Also, I want to use my UBA MasterCard to pay. I will get the authentication by text and I will click on continue. So the UBA will send the text to me and I will enter the text here so that I will be able to pay. Text has been sent and then I will enter it. This is done in order to prevent unauthorized use of your credit or debit card. So I have authorized this and the platform will deduct 1000 Naira from my account. The money has been paid successfully and you can see the money will now be available in my Erudites game account. Then I will be able to use that money in my account to pay for any game I want to play on the platform. So I'm waiting for the page to load, and as you can see, the money has been added successfully. You can see order received. I can go ahead and see my account here. If I click on my wallet, from member, my wallet, I'll be able to see the amount of money I have in my account. So in the previous video I have 800 before I played the real game, and now I added 1000 Naira. As you can see here, the money in my account is now 1700 Naira. With just 1000 Naira you'll be able to play game 10 different times, which means you can make 10,000 Naira with just 1000 Naira. I encourage you to join this so that you'll be able to be among the winners. You'll be able to make money on the platform. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask and I will address your question. Bye for now and see you again.